Oh, we haven't done green. Should we do some green? Let's light my tree. Green for abundance and prosperity. Yes. Ooh, that does look nice. Green like my fern. I've named her Fernie. Yes, I know. Very, very original. All right, here we go. Cheers, my friend. By the way, do you drink coffee? Let me know in the comments box below. What type of coffee do you like? If you don't drink coffee, how in the world do you not drink coffee? I love coffee. Welcome back to YouTube How To. I'm your guide, Andrea Jean. Welcome to another edition of Tip Tuesday, where I share the best YouTube growth tips, tricks, and hacks to help you actually make some money with your YouTube efforts. Just because you have a lot of subscribers doesn't mean that you're making a lot of money with what it is that you're doing. We like to work smarter rather than harder around here. Yes, yes, yes. Pareto's principle, 80-20 rule, you know what I'm talking about? Let me know in the comments box below if you're a fan of that. So today we're talking about, let me check my notes. Oh, if I were just starting a brand new YouTube channel, I have 2 free applications, free hacks, if you will, that you must be using. All right, are you ready? Are you ready for them? The first one, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy you want to be using. Let me make sure I put a little screenshot up here. Why do you want to use TubeBuddy? Because it's going to tell you how competitive particular keywords are on YouTube. And what you want to basically find are keywords that are not super competitive, but a lot of people are searching for them. Why? Because you can just scoot on in, fill that need, pave your way in that space. And TubeBuddy is a great tool to allow you to do it. I have it as an extension. Did I mention that? It's a free extension. You can certainly upgrade. I do have a link in the description box below. I have upgraded because you only get so many search queries, and well, I like to do a lot of research, okay? So mama need, and it's per channel. It's per channel, by the way. So I like TubeBuddy, and I've upgraded so that I can get as many searches as I want. I don't want limits. I don't like boundaries. I don't like that. A thumbs up if you can relate to that one. Oh, there are a lot of birds flying overhead today. By the way, I have a mantra. Whenever I see a bird that I say to myself, I think a big part of your success on YouTube happens up in here and becoming an entrepreneur, because you are skilled, you are talented, I am skilled, I am talented, but a lot of times what separates those who are successful in this YouTube world and those that are not, we're getting on a bit of a tangent right here. Oh, we forgot to set the timer. Is how long you can outlast those that are in your space. People give up, people stop being consistent. Over time, they get bored, they don't see the growth that they want. But those that actually make good, decent money don't, like, just have not stopped. Now, I don't mean not taking a break on YouTube. That's absolutely a necessity, but they have been persistent and keep improving their game. Let's get on to the second free growth hack that you need to be using on YouTube, and that is VidIQ. But why do I like VidIQ? Because when you are searching, you can see the amount of subscribers that a channel has. You don't need to go into that specific channel, just in the YouTube search bar. With the VidIQ extension installed, it will tell you how many subscribers a channel has. And here's what you want to pay attention to. If you are trying to search for something and you're like, hey, should I make a video on this? Let me just go ahead and see if this is a worthwhile idea to create. You want to research before you pull your camera up and start recording to see if it's worth your time or not. Yes, I talk about that all the time on this channel. Right here, certainly go on the whim, but don't have any expectations attached to it if you haven't done your proper market research. People don't put products into the market, something like the lights here, without knowing whether or not, or the likelihood of how it's going to perform. That's important that you want to do also with your YouTube videos. It's going to save you a lot of headache and heartache. I did not do that when I first started on YouTube. I was just like, I love videos, let me create some videos, and then I created like hundreds of videos, and like, why is nobody watching these videos? So I've learned the hard way. But anyway, VidIQ, if you go on that YouTube search bar and you see a video topic that has a lot of views but not many subscribers on that channel. So let's say the channel has, I don't know, 5,000 subscribers, but this video topic has like, I don't know, let me just throw some numbers out there, 35,000 views. That's a cue for you. That's a cue, like, ooh, this is a gold nugget. Because when you have a lot of subscribers on your YouTube channel, generally they're watching more of your YouTube videos, so you get sort of this automatic push when you first release a YouTube video. But if you don't have that subscriber base and that viewership to begin with, you're kind of like going up this uphill battle right here. So when you see a small channel that has videos with lots of views, Yes, my friend, gold nuggets. Make sure, TubeBuddy, VidIQ. If you want more details about those things, let me know in that comments box below. YouTube thinks that you're gonna like this video next, so click it and let's see if YouTube's right. If not, check out right here, tip number 3 in this YouTube growth series. See you, thumbs up, description box, freebies in the next one.